Hey guys, welcome back with another video, and you are watching your own channel Ravinder Saini Official. I am Ravinder Saini Advocate, and today I came back after a long time with my new experience adopted in a program which is held by the Bar Council of Rajasthan in the month of June. And the schedule, one notification which was published by the Bar Council of Rajasthan in its official website, and asking for the application from the young lawyers who are enrolled just in Bar Council of Rajasthan previously. They are eligible for this program, and today I will share my experience of this 5-day program held by the Bar Council of Rajasthan. एंड नमस्कार दोस्तों, स्वागत है आपका आपके अपने चैनल रविंदर सैनी ऑफिशियल पर। मैं रविंदर सैनी आज आया हूं आपके सामने एक नया वीडियो लेकर, जिसमें मैं अपने एक बार काउंसिल ऑफ राजस्थान द्वारा कराए गए प्रोग्राम कंटिन्यू लीगल एजुकेशन प्रोग्राम फॉर यंग लॉयर्स का एक्सपीरियंस शेयर करूंगा। दोस्तों, इस प्रोग्राम के लिए सबसे पहले तो जब हमने रजिस्टर करा तो इसके लिए 200 रुपये एक मिनिमम अमाउंट जो पेमेंट है वो हमें करना पड़ा था। वो पेमेंट करने के बाद में जैसे ही हम लोगों ने सक्सेसफुली, हम जितने भी लॉयर्स ने अप्लाई करा था, यंग लॉयर्स ने, उनको एक बार काउंसिल ऑफ राजस्थान की ओर से मैसेज आया कि यू आर गोट सेलेक्टेड फॉर द प्रोग्राम एंड यू विल हैव टू रीच द मेन्यू ऑन डेट सो एंड सो। एंड when I applied and I received the message, and then I have planned to visit the Jodhpur, and I booked my ticket and I arrived there in evening, one day before, on 26th of June in evening I arrived there. Then वहाँ पहुँचने के बाद में वहाँ पे रिसेप्शन पे हमने एंट्री करी एंड अपने नेम के आगे सिग्नेचर्स के थ्रू हमको वेरीफाई करके, और जो प्लेस ऑफ रेसिडेंस था बॉयज़ हॉस्टल में, वहाँ पे जो है हमारा एक कैंडिडेट यूनिवर्सिटी की तरफ से जोधपुर बार काउंसिल ऑफ राजस्थान और नेशनल लॉ यूनिवर्सिटी जोधपुर के टाई अप में ये प्रोग्राम हुआ। और अगले दिन मॉर्निंग में हमने वहाँ नाइट में स्टे करा एंड काफ़ी सारे जो अदर लॉयर्स थे उनसे मिले, और मिलने के पश्चात जब सभी लोगों से हमारा इंट्रो हुआ, देन नेक्स्ट मॉर्निंग हमको इन्फॉर्मेशन मिली कि सुबह जो है हमें एक पर्टिकुलर वेन्यू पे पहुंचना है, जहां पर हमें वेलकम किट मिली, जिसमें हमको ये डायरी मैं आपको दिखा देता हूं, जो कि बार काउंसिल ऑफ राजस्थान ने हमें दी। काफ़ी अच्छी है ये, जिसमें ताकि हम हमारे जो शॉर्ट नोट्स हैं वो मेंटेन कर सके। और उसके अलावा एक बुकलेट हमें दिया और एनवलप दिया, जिसके अंदर हमारा जो शेड्यूल है 5 डे का वो हमारे पास में था। वो एनवलप में मैं दिखा देता हूँ आपको। ये वो एनवलप है जो बार काउंसिल ऑफ जोधपुर की ओर से हमें मिला था, और इसके अंदर जो है प्रिंटेड इंस्ट्रक्शंस थी जो वी हैव टू फॉलो फॉर द ऑल द 5 days, एंड ऑल्सो इट कंटेन्स दैट what we have to do in our whole day, or the schedule of the first day, second day, third day, fourth day and fifth day, like on particular time which who will attend the lecture and what we have to do, and more many things. I will share the one day routine so you can understand that what are the daily tasks which we have follow on that day, on the first day, or the same task we have to do on another day also, but I will sharing on the sharing of the first day. You show you that all of you can understand that what we have to do there. First of all, I am reading the instructions which are received by them, that all the participants should follow the following instructions. First one, they will not take hard drinks during entire period of training, either in the hostel or in the university premises. This is the first instruction by the BCR to the all law graduates or young lawyers who arrived there for the program. The second one is smoking is strictly prohibited in the hostel as well as in the university campus. Another one is also at least a man of integrity obviously did not do any kind of these acts And the third one is nobody will be permitted to consume pan or gutka in the university premises. Nobody is allowed to leave. This is the fourth one. Nobody is allowed to leave the university premises during the session and bring outside food in the premises. This is the fourth condition. And the fifth one, all the participants are required to remain present during the entire program and attend all the 5 session or 5 days, or else certificate of participation shall not be issued. If someone lived between the days, like we have arrived there and we have to attend all the 5 days of the daily routine, all the lectures we have to attend, then they will issue the certificate for us. And the last one instruction I am reading for you guys. If any candidate is found violating the above instruction, she will be expelled from the training program. This is the last condition. Like if any candidate violated these all 5 instruction, then he will expelled from the program. This is the basic scenario. And after that they have issued then when you run the program, then there are schedule of the first day. There are basically total sessions which are divided in 6 sessions. A day of 24 hours has been divided by the bar council in total 6 sessions. In first session, what will we have to do? We have to wake up early around 6 or 6:30 a.m. Then we have to go for the breakfast, and the time for that is 7:30 a.m. to 8:30 a.m. After that, registration of participants, like this is the routine of first day, where we have to go for the registration, which start from the 8:30 and the end of registration will be at 9:45 a.m. After that, the inauguration will be held of this program. There are the outside faculty as well as the special member who are invited, like CJR of Rajasthan and all the dignitaries and member of the Bar Council of Rajasthan, and eminent personality will be there from the field of law, as you can consider it. After the inauguration, the tea break will be there at 11:10 to 11:30. 20 minutes of tea break they are providing, and the second session will be start at 11:30. This is a lecture of Dr. Anjali Thanvi, Assistant Professor, National Law University of Environment Law. This is the first lecture which we have to attend there in second session. And after that, the third session will start after will start after 10 minutes from 12:40 to 1:40 p.m. and the lecture delivered by Mr. Rajendra Saraswat, Advocate, Rajasthan High Court, and which was on the Civil Procedure Code and contemporary issue. Then lunch break is there from 1:40 to 3:30 at NLU canteen. The all arrangements of lunch, breakfast and dinner are arranged by the Bar Council of Rajasthan at free of cost. There no need to pay any amount for the food and any products available in the canteen, and the stay is also arranged by them. Only we have to do is we have to arrive at the venue, and everything is free of cost. And if you want to buy something else, you want to eat something else from the menu prepared by the Bar Council of Rajasthan, then you have to pay it for that. But I didn't feel so that something else is required, because the food quality and other things are very managed in very good manner. I do appreciation for the Bar Council of Rajasthan. And after that, the fourth session will start, in which the fourth session timing is from 4 p.m. to 5 p.m. And Dr. Shalu Malik, IC Additional Director, Regional Forensic Science Laboratory, Jodhpur Forensic Science, and the topic of delivering of the lecture is forensic science, and delivered by the Dr. Shalu Malik, who is additional director of the forensic science department lab situated in Jodhpur actually. And thereafter this lecture we attended the fifth session, which was delivered by the Honorable Justice Sri Govind Mathur, Chief Justice of Allahabad High Court, who is retired Judge of Rajasthan High Court, and delivered a lecture upon the Constitution of India. And I remember one thing which was told by the Honorable Justice Govind Prakash Mathur, that India is not a democracy. We are a democratic state probably, but the constitutional democracy exists in India. That is the main contention, and which I mostly like. And Mr. Govind Prakash Mathur also encourage young lawyers to engage in themselves. What kind of work you will get in your early days, you will have to do all kind of work. Like, don't fix your criteria that I will only fought the civil cases, criminal cases, cyber crime cases, or family, I will be only the divorce family lawyer. These things should be avoided by the young lawyers. And after that we attend the sixth session of our first day on 27th of June. The first lecture, which the timing of the sixth session is from 6:15 p.m. to 7:15 p.m. There are two lectures of 45 minutes actually. Not 45, or we can say 35, because it take 5 minutes each by the extra of. And the first lecture was delivered by Sri C.L. Saini, member Bar Council of Rajasthan, and they delivered lecture upon the art of reading and citing judgments. And after that, Sri S.N. Chaudhary, member Bar Council of Rajasthan, delivered a lecture upon the labor laws, like how we have to fight for the cases of labor law, labor class in before the labor commissioner, as well as the labor court and other competent authorities, or in court of law. This is the whole schedule. And after that session, after end of the session, we all did our dinner at NLU canteen, and this is the whole routine. And we completed and followed the same routine and day by day. And very eminent personality of Rajasthan as well as the India would be available there for us to guide us that how we pursue our career in the field of advocacy. And I really felt that everyone in upcoming time should apply for this program, which was held by the Bar Council of Rajasthan. And we are lucky that in our state our Bar Council is conducting such a kind of program, and which are very useful for each and every student. So this is the whole scenario. If you have any question, any query regarding this, you can direct comment me, or you can direct message me on Instagram or on WhatsApp or on email. I would request you that please don't call me direct. First you have to leave me a message, then I will reply, and if something is necessary, then we will talk on call. Okay, and I will show you that we will receive a certificate for that, which looks like that. You can see this is my Bar Council of Rajasthan 5-day continuing education program certificate, and every candidate there received the same. And I am grateful that I have blessed by the eminent law personality, Honorable Chief Justice, Honorable Chairman of the Bar Council of Rajasthan, other members, as I told you, the S.N. Chaudhary and Mr. C.L. Saini guided us in the program. Apart from that, many dignitaries from field of law, Sri Mali, the co-chairman of the Bar Council of India, Honorable Justice Pushpender Singh Bhati, Kapil Prakash Mathur, and S.N. Gupta, S.K. Gupta. Apart from that, many eminent and very specialized person guided us in these old days, and we followed the old routine. And I felt like that something I am sanitized with a refreshment kind of thing, and my knowledge has been enhanced and give triggered by these all dignitaries came to guide us, and I am very grateful. I appreciate. I will surely say I can surely say that if you do participate in the program, then definitely you got some benefits, and please attend it if you have knowledge of the notification. And for that you have to visit continuously once a month in a month we have to visit once in the site of Bar Council of Rajasthan. And thank you, and thanks for watching. Please subscribe my channel so that you will get update of another experience which I am gaining day by day. And soon I am planning to start about the experience, sharing of my experience as a first generation lawyer. So there are many lot of students who are first generation from their family, same like me, and everyone knows that it is very hard to survive in the field of advocacy if you are first generation lawyer. So if you guys want that I will share my experience of my advocacy initial day. It's almost 8 months while I am recording the video. I have 8 months of experience of mine, and I almost earned more than 2 lakh rupees in these days, and how I did the whole thing, and how I am survived in this field. And I told you that I am a first generation lawyer. I almost registered filed my personal case of 15 to 20 cases, and disposed 4 of them are disposed of by personally. I did personal appearance before the honorable court, and they are decided by the honorable court. So I am also very grateful for that also. And I suggest you, each of everyone you, that please do hard work, read daily continuously and follow your routine. Bye bye, thank you, मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में.